you been wondering how to use citronella essential oil? It's not just for keeping mosquitoes away. Keep watching and you'll see what I mean. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. From the tall, leafy grasses of Asia, citronella essential oil isn't an oil to overlook. It has a natural, fresh aroma, making it an ideal on-the-go adventure companion, especially during activities like camping, hiking, prepping for a barbecue. Those are just the beginning of citronella oil's versatile uses. It has a positive, calming aroma and can even be soothing to the skin and scalp when applied topically. For these reasons and so many more, citronella oil is the perfect essential oil for all your year-round activities, whether the party takes you outside or keeps you in. Just listen to a few of the ways I use it. Add it to a glass spray bottle with water to keep insects away, including fleas and ticks. Did your kids pick up a bug in their hair at school? Add 2 to 3 drops of this in the shampoo. Shampoo 3 times a day until they're gone. Apply to the bottoms of your feet for a reaction to a spicy food. It's even great for anxious feelings. Just apply to the neck, forehead, and up the spine. You can even add a little carrier oil to it and apply it as a deodorant. What? You can use citronella essential oil aromatically and topically, but it's not for internal use. It's all part of taking control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.